YouTube? It's me again. I finally got something that a friend of mine dropped off that I really needed. One of these things. It's a Mitutoyo dial indicator. And boy, does this thing spin nice. Wow, this is like the other ones I have. They all suck. They really do suck. Like this thing is just like, man, what increments? 5,000ths of an inch. Oh, this is like fucking accurate. Oh my god. Holy diddly squat. I'm not sure how to read this thing. Not really sure, but hey. Thank you to you-know-who for this. It's going to help me dial in my milling machine and a few things over there. So yeah, awesome possum. I have to end it here because we're going to make a video of my store for you guys. So I'm just going to leave all this crap here and head back to the house because it's freezing. I'm cold. And what time is it? It's 8:48. My phone's almost dead because it's freaking cold. And the battery in here, once I unplug it, the thing's just going to go kapooey. So thanks a lot for subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for hanging out and watching my amusing crap. Check out the folks below and the little things I leave there. It automatically goes up. If you want your name added below, let me know. Join my channel. I'll add your channel in there. Just keep making it bigger and bigger. It's good to support other small channels. If you're a small channel supporting me, awesome. It's always nice to support other people. I mean, even if I had like 12 million subscribers, I think I would still help other people. Because I mean, who the hell wants to be greedy? Like everybody's like, yeah, I got a million subscribers. You know, I'm not gonna like. But and again, like someone said, you gotta hope the person you're helping out is not a straight up freaking Nazi or something. So, but other than that, I mean, there's a lot of cool channels. A lot of you guys that are who joined my channel and some of the ones I joined, they've got really cool channels. So, and when I get a chance, I do watch your channels. If I can't get a chance, I'll try to play your video when I'm doing other shit, just so at least if I'm not watching the video, you guys get watch time. So yeah. Anyway, toodles. Have a good one. Hope you like this video. It's kind of short and boring, but hey, it is what it is. And like I said, I'm making videos to just do stuff, whatever.